What is up, guys? It's Cookin Universe here, and today, guys, if you are looking for healthy recipes, including this taco pie recipe, then you are in the right place. So I am about to reveal some easy ways of how to cook this recipe without having to pay some crazy expensive price. So I understand that cooking can be very tedious, but don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you guys this taco pie recipe, but the easy way. But before I get into the video, I would like to give a humongous shout out to Ibotta, the place where if you buy certain groceries from a certain grocery store, you can get cash back on the groceries that you buy. I have saved a ton of money off some of the ingredients of this recipe. All you gotta do is just use my referral code, link in the description below, and once you submit your first receipt on Ibotta, you can get an extra $10 back on groceries. Yes, a whole $10 back on groceries. But that is only if you use my referral code. And the best part about Ibotta is that it is 100% free. And I would like to put a disclaimer on this video to say that I also make $10 on Ibotta too. When you sign up, use my referral code, link in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into the ingredients. 8 ounces of refrigerated crescent rolls. 1 pound of organic grass-fed. You get 1 pound of organic grass-fed ground beef, or any type of ground beef works, but this is the one I recommend. Next up, you get some mild taco seasoning mix. 8 ounces or more of Mexican shredded cheese or Fiesta blend, whatever type of cheese, whatever shredded cheese you want. And this is totally optional, but you can put some sour cream, some shredded lettuce, some green onions, avocado, olives, or some diced tomatoes. Now, personally, I didn't get any of them, but you are more than welcome to put any of those on there, or just anything else. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. So first things first, make sure to thaw the ground beef by taking it from the freezer 24 hours before you make the taco pie to the fridge. Now what you gotta do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now what you gotta do is get the crescent rolls out of the package and have fun watching me struggle, because this was the first ever time I have ever done it. Wait, how do you pop this? Press spoon at seam until can pops open. Holy, there we go. I think I did it, boys. That only took me 3.5 minutes to do. I'm so proud of myself. As soon as the can pops, what you gotta do is grab a 9x13 baking dish, or honestly just whatever you want, and press the crescent dough flat on the bottom of the pan or dish. Once the oven is done preheating and the crescent dough is completely flat on the dish, make sure to put the dough in the oven for about 9 to 12 minutes. I usually do it for about 10 minutes. While the dough is baking, make sure to get the ground beef out of its package and put it on a skillet over about 225 degrees Fahrenheit or so. Now what you gotta do is just crush the ground beef and just keep flipping it over, and then just keep repeating the process until the ground beef is fully browned. If the grease starts splattering everywhere like it did while I was cooking it, make sure to turn the skillet down just a little bit to about 200 degrees. But 10 minutes after you put the dough into the oven, make sure to get it out of the oven. And once the ground beef is fully browned, make sure to get all the grease out. And I would recommend putting the grease inside of a recyclable can instead of a cup. I just didn't have any more recyclable cans. Once you get the grease all out of the skillet, or at least the majority of it, make sure to put the taco seasoning in, or any other optional toppings that I said in the beginning. Once you stir in all the taco seasoning or any of the optional toppings, make sure to turn off the skillet and unplug it. And now pour the ground beef into the baking dish along with the dough. Mix it all together and just flatten it all out. And now the best part about cooking this recipe, make sure to layer the beef with cheese. And when I'm sprinkling the cheese on the meat, if you're interested in discovering more about getting cash back on groceries, then be sure to check out Ibotta at the link in the description below. Once the ground beef is layered with all the cheese you want, make sure to put it in the 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. But I usually just do it for 10 minutes. Once those 10 minutes are up, make sure to get the taco pie out of the oven, and make sure to turn off the oven too. And voila, you got your taco pie recipe. And this is completely optional, but once your taco pie is completely done, you are more than welcome to add toppings of your own choice. Alrighty guys, so guys, I just got this right here. So I have my salad too. As you guys can see, I got this beef, you know what I mean? I got the pie crust, some cheese on it too. Oh my goodness, guys, this looks so fire. This was my first time cooking it, and this looks insane. Let's take a bite into this. Dude, no way. This is so good. Well, no, this is actually really good though. Okay, like I always say, 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. Oh, Didn't see you guys there. Well guys, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss any more videos helping you out cook the healthy, cheap, and easy way. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.